flooring this anymore?
I thought you could make a settlement with rock.
Ah! You very well know that you need a brick, not a rock, to build a settlement.
Yeah.
You live here?
Yeah.
We've received some complaints about the noise today. It's been far too loud for this time of day. You've been up here, I'm gonna need you to be down here, alright?
I don't think that's an accurate way to measure the sound levels, bro. Like, is here the top, or can I go all the way up to here?
No, so think of this as like a percentage of that. So this is 100%, I want you 30%.
Okay, so here then. Is that all good?
Well, that's about this, right? Like, that's quite loud. Do you hear me? I'm talking quite loud. I need you to be down here. Yeah, but a like that.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Got it.
Well, look, I gotta, it's my job and all, I gotta do these things.
I understand, bro.
So look,
It's all good.
I've already prepared one for you. Just take it easy, alright?
Shot, bro. Cheers for your time.
Yeah, no worries, mate.
Dickhead.
I mean, I don't even understand why we got one. Seems a bit excessive.
Yeah, it's only 4 in the afternoon, and I'm sure noise control don't operate between the hours of 7 AM and 10 PM.
Daylight savings.
What?
I bet it was Simone. She literally spends all day on her own knitting in her room. Oh yeah! Let's just go fuck her up!
What are you going to break in her room first?
Probably her mirror.
Sweet. Let's do it. Looks pretty dead, eh?
Yeah, I think she is.
Well, at least we know it wasn't her. Looks like she's been dead a while.
So, should we finish that game?
Yeah.
Alright.
Well, that was a good game.
Bollocks.
Cream?
Yep.
Cream? I'm a vegan, you manta.
Oh, Jesus.
Look, I'm going to go to bed.
Me too. One cannot sleep with all the hollering and yahooing on in this house. But it is time for I, Silas Rabadorovich, to have my fun. I love to boogie at 11 PM. I'm so glad the noise control only operates from 7 AM to 10 PM.
What the fuck is that noise?